Hello and welcome. Welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. I have in front of me something I don't particularly like. I don't. It is a Commodore 64C board, although both kinds of boards fit in that case. They did at least make that way. This has the Super PLA chip, which is a big chip, takes the place of other chips. Sure, it saved them bunches of money, but it's a real pain because it's a weird socket. They're so close together, and I don't like them. Anyway, in this, there are, well, three chips that are socketed. Now, one thing I'm not going to do is I'm not going to take things out of here. It looks all complete. The fuse is there. Here's the fuse. Power switch is there, which is normal. I only say that because I guess the last time I tried such a thing as this, there was no power switch. So this is a 252311 revision 3. And as I say, I don't like these boards. I really don't. It's kind of like GEOS. It takes a nice, friendly machine that's sort of easy to work on, turns it into this thing. Anyway, does it work? I don't know. I'll turn it on. I see a flash. If it worked, it would be great. But of course, it does not work. Well, let us take the retrorewind.ca, flip it to diagnostic, flip it to 1, the 64 is off. We'll pop this sucker in and see if anything happens. And so far, I see nothing. So I'm going to press the reset switch on here, flip the diagnostic to the other thing, which is a safer way than turning the machine on and off, and we'll see if anything comes up. And nothing does. So I'll hold down the reset switch, flip the switch, and see if anything comes up over here. Actually, I had it on diagnostics, not dead test. And I have just switched it to the dead test. So I will now press the reset button, slide the switch on the side, check out the other dead test. And we will see nothing is happening. So now I will turn it off and take out this fine cartridge. And I will put in this other cartridge I have, which I'm sure will do much the same, as in nothing. Nothing at all. And it does nothing. Now, I don't have another board right handy of this sort. And the reason I am hesitant is the chips are different. And things are different. So I'm not going to pop things out and smack them in to an older version. And have a look here. There is an 85, 80, R6. Once again, I forgot my glasses. Big chip and the support chip. And yeah. So, notes. I bet you it's the PLA. I don't like these boards. 64C. World Commodore Hotel Cart. Dead. No diag clues. Screen. Flashes on power. up on I can type so much faster. Writing is so inconvenient. Screen flashes on power up on monitor. Fuse. Okay. Sid plus Vic plus 8701. Socket id. Sure they did that because those were the common failures when they were testing them, so why wouldn't they make it easy for the people in the factory? Needs more testing. Alright. Super PLA. Thigh. Don't make them. What else is there to write? At some point I will check the chips that I can easily and see what is what. Surgery required. December 2023. Well, can only do what you can do. This one, it has no shield on it, so I do have to absolutely apply extra tape. La la la. And there we have it. The board from a Commodore 64 C with the Super PLA chip that I don't like. I've never taken one out. I suppose it is possible, but I just don't like them. I'm just looking at, boy, the board does not look very used. Like the user port looks mighty clean. Who knows? Maybe it failed out of the box. Maybe. Anyway, I suppose, like the other one, I should very carefully look this over and make sure that nothing else has been scavenged from it. I don't see anything obvious. Anyway, you know what? If it ends up the big chip and the 8701 are good and the SID chip is good, it's all good. I can, at my leisure, suck out other chips and give them a try and see what's what. I can. Anyway. Oh, actually, it's funny. It says it's a C64EN. And it has a serial number on here. There's all kinds of cool things, that little stickers and things that they put onto these things. Look over the cartridge port. There is things. There is things. Anyway. Alright, well, I suppose now what I should do is go back downstairs and see what else I can see of things from the world of Commodore. I did get some things out of the car, but there's more to come. Many more things to come. And also, today, I did something else. Oh, I did. There was a fellow who advertised a bunch of Commodore 64 discs. But he just wanted to go to a good home. And it wasn't all that far. And I kind of had to go that way anyway. So I met him, and he gave me a disc box. It's actually like a cardboard box. So I would bet inside of the cardboard box, when they came that way, there were probably 10 boxes of 10. So But when you don't have the boxes, you can squeeze a lot more in. And it didn't look stuffed, but I'm sure there's more than 100 discs, less than probably 150. And he hopes that they work. He doesn't have a 64 anymore. He gave it away years ago because he couldn't get it working. And he just couldn't bring himself to throw them out. So I'll see what I can see. I shall. Anyway, I'll put this with other things that I need to look at again, and I will see what's waiting downstairs to look at. So, once again, thanks for coming. Thanks for being here in the box room. I really have to do something. I don't like the way I have to reach. Bye for now.